Hey there, cosmic explorers. Today, I'm unleashing a cosmic secret, a mantra so potent it defies the ordinary and propels you into the realm of extraordinary manifestations. So, buckle up because today's revelation is not just a game changer, it's a reality shifter. Back in my journey through the enigmatic landscapes of the law of attraction and metaphysics, I embarked on a mission. No fluff, just pure results. After all, who wants anecdotes when you can have concrete, life-altering outcomes, right? I went all in, diving deep into the mystical waters, and amidst the cosmic waves, I stumbled upon a mantra that not only rocked my world, but orchestrated a symphony of abundance. Brace yourselves. In less than 3 days, it rained $9,000 on me. Now for my friends across the pond in Europe, if dollars aren't your vibe, let's talk euros. A staggering 9,000 of them in just 3 days. Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't your run-of-the-mill mantra. It's a cosmic catalyst that brought me a jaw-dropping $99,000 in just 72 hours. Now hold on to your cosmic hats because I want you to hear this loud and clear. This mantra is no mere whisper. It's a resounding roar echoing in the universe. Now, the burning question. What's it going to bring to you? Are you ready for the cosmic challenge that awaits? But before we dive into the cosmic depths of today's video, take a moment, a cosmic pause if you will, to absorb the cosmic energy I'm throwing your way. Here's the raw, unfiltered truth. When you commit to these principles and truly grasp the intricacies, abundance seamlessly integrates into your existence. No bragging here, just a straight-up revelation. A few years back, I yearned to break free from the shackles of poverty, propelling me into an intensive study of individuals who authentically wielded financial success. Let's face it, the usual money advice comes from those around us: parents, friends, relatives. Yet, more often than not, they find themselves in similar or even more dire financial situations. The real learning, my friend, happens when you seek wisdom from those who've not only tasted success, but have the fruits hanging on their prosperity tree. As Jesus of Nazareth wisely stated, irrespective of religious connotations, you will know them by their fruits. Take a moment for introspection. Delve into your thoughts about money, scrutinize your bank account, dissect your daily routine. My journey involved absorbing invaluable lessons from millionaire mentors, an investment of over $3,500 to distill their wisdom. Now, close your eyes and envision yourself on the path to millionaire status. It's not a distant dream, it's a tangible reality. Some in my circle generate over $1 million annually, while others soar beyond the 2 million mark. Believe me, you can do it too. Now, let me weave a tale that transcends self-promotion, a narrative that exemplifies the transformative potential embedded in embracing abundance. Allow me to introduce you to Alex, a cherished companion who confronted the diagnosis of chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia during the formative years of adolescence. Undeniably, a formidable challenge lay before Alex. Yet, against all odds, Alex not only triumphed over the intricacies of health adversities, but also ascended to the pinnacle of a double champion within a mere year and a half post-diagnosis. How was this remarkable feat accomplished? The key lay in a profound metamorphosis of mindset and a purposeful shift in actions, centering attention on what genuinely held significance. Upon introspection of the health struggles, Alex unearthed a universal verity. Every ailment conceals a root cause. The pivotal realization being that once this cause is identified and addressed, the ailment begins to dissipate. Alex astutely acknowledged the importance of abundance, recognizing it as a vital element demanding collective attention. However, in a glaring omission, traditional education sidesteps the art of cultivating abundance. The intricate dance of creating prosperity becomes a personal voyage of discovery, absent from the conventional curriculum of schools and universities. Questioning the reluctance of educational institutions to impart such vital life skills, Alex uncovered a stark truth. The answer lay bare. An affluent society equates to freedom, diminished control, and heightened education. Prosperous individuals inherently possess the ability to think independently, a narrative incongruent with the interests of certain entities. Alex's profound lesson resonates powerfully. The genesis of all transformation resides in the mind. The inaugural step involves a meticulous reprogramming of our mental landscapes. Once the subconscious embraces a particular reality, its manifestation in our tangible existence becomes an immutable truth. #now, let's delve into the very heart of today's transformative revelation. The special mantra, a compass guiding us through uncharted territories. Rewind to the nascent stages of my own journey, a period marked by adversity and the absence of a safety net. The mantra I impart to you today encapsulates the essence of my personal odyssey. Let these words echo within you. For the good of all and without prejudice to anyone, your chosen amount is on its way to me. It belongs to me and is used as I say or choose. I appreciate the universe in advance and focus on abundance coming my way. I will be amazed at the speed and ease with which it manifests in my life. However, pause a moment, customize the amount, subtract your chosen amount, and infuse a figure that resonates with your current reality. Let it be personal, believable, a testament to your unique journey. If the initially suggested amount feels like a stretch, commence with a modest figure, perhaps $50 or $500. Understand this. The mantra is not merely a string of words. It serves as the materialization of your belief system. Commence with a humble initiation, envision grandeur, and witness the transformative power unfurl in your life. Now, dear cosmic companions, as we embark on this journey of transformation together, I invite you to take action. Grab a pen and paper, inscribe your chosen amount within the special mantra, and let the energy of belief flow through your words. Make it personal. Make it real. Start small. Think big. Pause this video if you must, but anchor these words into your consciousness. And my fellow cosmic travelers, I implore you to come back and share your experiences, your manifestations, in the comments below. Your stories fuel the cosmic energy of this community, inspiring others on their transformative paths. Now, let's weave a tapestry of abundance together. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic odyssey today. Remember, abundance is not a destination. It's a cosmic dance. As you navigate the cosmos of your life, may the energy of manifestation guide your every step. If this video has sparked a cosmic flame within you, hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic insights, and ring the notification bell to stay attuned to the cosmic frequencies we share. Until we meet again, fellow cosmic travelers, stay abundantly cosmic and keep shining your unique light into the universe. Safe travels.